Does the power efficiency guide really work? What is the truth? Have you faced a hurricane in your area leading to power outage for long periods? Having to sit in the dark with your refrigerator down and no news on when normalcy will be restored? The Power Efficiency Guide has helped thousands of such people to be prepared with their own generator, which can be made with an investment of $106 and following the guide in your own garage at your home. Visit Magniwork Now for the homemade power plant guide, which also shows you how to save energy at home. If you want to go for Power Efficiency Guide review, don't buy it until you see this has really helped people like you with power problem. If you have decided to buy the Power Efficiency Guide review, don't buy it until you watch this video presentation. To understand Mark Edwards' Power Efficiency Guide review, does it really work and will it work for you? To solve your serious power outage issues and be fully prepared for the next time a hurricane hits your area, click the link below to watch the video presentation fully.